Why is Catalonia such a powerhouse for tourism? Is it because of the sun? The beaches? The culture? The gastronomy? The sport? There are many important reasons why, and making people aware of them is just as important. At the Catalan Tourist Board, we work to promote our country's tourism every day. Our job is to be the window into Catalonia for the world. This is where we focus all of our attention. From a perfectly devised strategy, we develop promotional and commercial activities aimed at the national and international tourist sector. A market we know firsthand since our offices are spread right across the world, constantly providing direct contact with the major players of international tourism. This guarantees that tourism in Catalonia gets promoted 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. With a team comprised of over 100 professionals from a diverse range of fields, we work to improve tourism in Catalonia today without losing sight of the future. To prove this, every year the Catalan Tourist Board grants a number of scholarships which help shape future generations of professionals. All this is done with a single aim: to keep increasing Catalan tourism. One of the key objectives of the Catalan Tourist Board strategy has been to create a strong Catalan brand. This brand is now in an outstanding position in the minds of professionals and tourists alike, the world over. This privileged position is one we work relentlessly to keep. We also organise regular events to bring people from the Catalan tourism sector together with the major players of the international tourism sector. These events make as much of an impact in traditional media as on the internet. Indeed, the web is also one of the strategic factors which supports the commercialisation of Catalan's tourist services and keeps them growing. Another important tool in our communication strategy is our publicity campaigns to increase and diversify tourism, as well as making it less seasonal, ensuring Catalonia is an attractive tourist destination year-round. Similarly, at the Catalan Tourist Board, we initiate a number of programmes to support the promotion and commercialisation of the Catalan tourist sector, with focuses including the Catalonia eno-tourism, wine tourism, family tourism and road cycling tourism. These programmes make a positive impression on tourists, guaranteeing quality and satisfaction, which in turn encourages their return and recommendation. There is no better way of generating loyalty from tourists than providing them with what they need and want. At the Catalan Tourist Board, we will continue to work tirelessly to promote the attractions of our land, the diversity of our tourism products, and the strategic importance of the sector that we represent, driving tourism forward and giving our visitors an experience they will never forget.